The Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the top competitors on the market right now, but hang on to your hats because things are about to become much more fascinating. Samsung has been a huge name in the high-end Android smartphone game for centuries, and it's easy to understand why. The Galaxy S25 series is scheduled to make its grand premiere in just a few months, and although some recent leaks haven't exactly blown us away, there's a juicy piece of info that might completely alter the game. Here's the lowdown, then. Based on a trustworthy source, everyone is talking about the potential significant hardware upgrade that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring. Whether you're considering upgrading to this flagship beast in 2025 but aren't sure whether it's worth it, you may want to pay attention. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will undoubtedly include a configuration with at least 16 gigs of RAM, according to a tipster using by the moniker Ice Universe who just revealed some intriguing news on X. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a maximum storage capacity of 12 gigs, and their most recent foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, also adhere to the same limit. If this works out, it would be a huge advancement for Samsung. Meanwhile, rivals like OnePlus are already ahead of the game, providing up to 16 gigs of RAM on some models. In fact, a special edition of the OnePlus 12 in China has an astounding 24 gigs of RAM. Not to be outdone, the next OnePlus 13 is expected to launch in the global market next year with 24 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. And let's not forget about Google, whose new Pixel 9 Pro also has a substantial 16 gigs of memory. Therefore, it is evident that Samsung has to catch up. The RAM capacity upgrade is just one aspect of this. According to earlier predictions, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may have the newest LPDDR6 RAM modules, which would be a cut above anything else on the market right now and provide a discernible upgrade in speed and efficiency. This upgrade may be considered essential because on-device AI needs additional RAM to operate without hiccups. But wait, there's more beyond just RAM. There are rumors that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera may also get an upgrade. It might come with a brand new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, which would be a fantastic addition for those of you fans of photography. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.